Hello, we are the group number 1 and we are going to discuss parts of the plants. The members of our group are Ada Osorio, Jairo Moreno, Maria Núñez, Mariela Martinez, and Tatiana Cepeda.
First, we are going to introduce that topic that we are going to use to teach to our children. Part of the plant. A plant is a living organism of the kind exemplified by trees, shrubs, herbs, grasses, ferns, and mosses, typically growing in a permanent site, absorbing water and inorganic substances through its roots, and synthesizing nutrients in its leaves by photosynthesis using the green pigment chlorophyll. The plant has 6 parts, but we just take 4 into consideration to make easier the learning of the children. First, we have the roots. The roots of a plant grow in the ground and are responsible for pulling both water and minerals to the plant. They expand in the ground to increase the surface area for water absorption. They also anchor the plant into the ground for stability. Then we have the stem. The plant stem transports the nutrients and minerals through the plant up to the leaves. The leaves are the location for photosynthesis. After photosynthesis occurs, the stem is responsible for carrying the food through the rest of the plant. Stems grow upward, allowing leaves at the bottom of the plant to reach sunlight for food production. Leaf. The leaf is responsible for catching sunlight and allowing both air and water to enter the plant. Leaves can be simple, with one leaf connected to the plant, or compound, where a leaf is connected with one petiole but has numerous leaf tips on it. Leaves have veins inside them to allow nutrients and water to flow. And finally, we have the flowers. Flowers are the part of the plant that is responsible for making the food. The flower has both female parts called the pistil and male parts called the stamens. They work together to fertilize the plant and produce seeds. The petals of a flower attract other insects such as butterflies and bees to the plant to pollinate them.
Then we have the audience. These activities we chose are achievable but also challenging and are mainly directed to young beginners in English as a second language. That is, school-age children who are from 5 to 10 years old. These activities serve as a means of classifying groups or working pairs to establish a relationship of uniformity among them. Since for some young children, interacting with their peers through activities can help. They are children who begin to learn easy words that sound similar to how they are written. It means that they are beginning to receive the basic vocabulary in their second language, and they should already be able to use sentences or simple words that have an average of 5 to 8 words. Their participation should be with respect and tolerance towards others, since particularly when children are at this age, they like to be very happy and active and want to try new behaviors. And that's why they need to have many opportunities to practice physical activity and connect with his classmates. These children from 5 to 10 years old are already beginning to have strong basic skills, and with a recreation time, children can benefit. The games and the activities offer them a relaxed and fun environment where they can develop communication and language skills. In other words, they can practice the use of new words and express themselves freely. It can also help them to be more socially secure and also can be a way of creating friendships. Also, at this age, children are ready to learn, which is why they absorb the ideas, sounds, and vocabulary incredibly well, which means that communicating and interacting in class is key for them. It is very possible that they enjoy taking this project a little further by drawing their own flowers, and it is a good practice that extends their creativity.
For the purpose of this class, we use the situational approach. The situational approach was made between the years of 1940 and 1960. In this approach, the spoken language is the dominant. As we want to introduce the new concept to the students, we will start orally, and then we are going to present the ideas in other variations as in a written way. We want the students to acquire this new vocabulary. So we will introduce the concept via sense or using a plant as an example. According to the situational approach, and to ensure that the language that is being taught is realistic, all the words and sentences must grow out of some real situations or imagined real situation. Thus, the meaning of words are tied up with the situation in which they are used. This means that all the new vocabulary that they are learning are or is tied up with real situations and the real world, because it will help the students to understand and to have a better idea of what the meaning of the new word is. As we are teaching them the new word and we are showing them where to use the new word. Also, the complexity of the grammar in this situation is scaled from the basic to something more advanced.
Now we have the activities. The first activity that takes place during the class is that the teacher plays the video to the children so that they can how the words are pronounced, which are the parts of the plan, and become familiar with the topic. The second activity, the teacher begins to ask some questions about the video in order for them to learn to capture or formulate ideas, and also motivate them to participate and give their opinion about the video of the part of the plant. And most importantly, what they learned about the video. The third activity. Guess the word that belongs to each part of the plant. In this activity, the teacher is going to review the parts of the plant and then show the students an image of it and some cards that have written its parts. So that the students' work is to guess the word that belongs to each part and paste it on the picture. With the teacher's help, the students repeat the words out loud in order to learn them by heart. The fourth activity, make your own plant. After learning the plant and its parts, the students are going to make such an easy and entertaining activity. In some sheet of paper, they have to paste each part of the plant, making use of glue and their fingers. The teachers motivates them to do a great work at any time. Finally, they make a review of the whole class, what they have learned today, what the class was about, the things that they liked today. Now we have some resources that we use for the class. The first one was a video of the part of the plant. The second one, a computer. And third place, we use Foamy. Also white pages, cardboard, speaker, all these resources help us to develop our activities in the classroom.
Also, we have a video of a class that we developed with the help of the students of English School Gan Eden and the help of one of our classmates, a member of the group, Jairo Moreno. In this little class, we show the activities that we would like to use, and we present the topic.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Good morning.
Les pregunto, how are you today?
Good, thank you.
Very good, very good. How are you today, Junior? Are you good? ¿Está bien? Yes? Are you good? ¿Está bien?
Yes.
Are you good? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you all good or you are bad? ¿Está bien? Yes? Excellent. So, welcome to another class in our school. You're going to learn something new today, okay? So today you're going to learn that part of the plan. You're going to learn that parts of the plan. Van a aprender hoy las partes de la plan. Parts of the plan. Repeat after me. Parts of the plan. Parts of the plan. We're going to learn a little bit about that, okay? You're going to learn something new. So, first of all, we are going to watch a video. We are going to watch a video in order to learn which are the parts of the plan, okay? Yes? Okay, so pay attention to it and you're going to learn a little bit more.
The parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Flower, leaves, stem, fruit, seeds, and roots.
Okay, you already watched the video of the part of the plan. So tell me, what have you learned? What are the plant's parts? All the parts of the plant. ¿Qué parte de la planta viene? En inglés, flowers. Another one, leaves, root, seeds. We have the seeds, son semillas. Another one, other part, otra parte. We have the fruit. Another one, the most important, we have first of all the flower, then we have the leaves, then we have the stem. Excellent. Give me five. We have the tallo, como dijo Junior, is the stem, and we have the roots. Excellent. So those are the parts of the plant, okay? So in that way you are going to learn that part of the plant. So in Spanish, you can tell me the part of the plant in Spanish. En español. ¿Cuánto?
¿No?
En español.
Bueno.
Flor, tallo, raíces, semillas. No, la planta es todo completo. The plant is all. If we join, if we join each part, if I join the root, if I join the stem, if I join the flower, the fruit, the seed, all that is the plant. All that entire plant, the whole plant, okay? So, we are going to make an activity in order to learn more about the part of the plant. You already know which are the names, which the names are, and you are going to guess. You are going to play guessing which is the name. Okay? Yes or no? Okay, so you have a new activity today. Which is the activity? Today, here we have 4 names. These are the part of the plant. So, what are you going to do? In this case, you are going to take one sheet of paper that has a name and you are going to paste it in the blackboard guessing which is the part of the plant. For example, here I have the leaves. Okay, repeat after me. Leaves. Leaves. So I have the leaves, and I'm going to paste the word leaves in the leaves. Okay, I'm going to guess if is it correct or if it is not. Okay, I'm going to paste it. Or I have the flower. The word flower. Excellent. So I'm going to paste the word flower into or inside the flower. Okay? Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, Junior, stand up and come here. You're going to paste the leaves. Okay? Leaves. Junior, with your finger, show me which are the leaves. Con su dedo, dígame cuáles son las hojas. Is it correct or is not? Yes, correct. Another claps. Excellent. Agnes, stand up and come here. You're going to paste the root. Which is the root? Okay? Root. Raíz. Root. Mire cuál es la root ahí. Raíces. Yeah. Paste. Excellent. Is it correct? Yes or no? Yes. I love class. Nisi, stand up and come here. You're going to paste the stem. Is it correct?
Yes.
Excellent. Another class. Jerry, stand up. You're going to paste the flower. Excellent. Is it correct? Okay. Hold on. Is it correct, the flower?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is it correct? Yeah?
Yes.
Or no?
Yes.
Okay, another class. So, these are the parts of the plant. We have the root, the stem, leaves, and flower. Okay, we have the flower. Repeat after me. Flower. Leaves. Stem. Root. Part of the plant. Another class. Excellent. Okay guys, now the last activity. Pay attention. The last activity that we are going to do is to paste or to create your own plant. Okay? So here I have like a book. This is like a book that you are going to use today. Here you have your name and it says part of the plant by Jairo, for example, by Missy, by Angel, by Jojo, by Joshua. So here you have the parts of the plant. We have the root, we have the stem, the leaves, and the flower. So what are you going to do? In the next sheet of paper, on the next page, you are going to create your own plant with the material that I gave you. Okay, so you are going to paste your stem, your roots. Okay, you are going to paste your leaves. Junior, you are going to paste your leaves and your flower here. Okay, you are going to use the glue that I gave you. Pay attention, please. Junior. Pay attention, okay? I'm going to give you this. Please take care with it. Take care of it. You are going to use your finger to use the glue and to paste the part of the plant. Okay? Make sense?
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Jaden, Joshua, Angel, Nisi, and Junior. Okay? So you can start. pueden empezar, ¿ok? If you need help, you can ask me for help. Me pueden pedir ayuda cada vez que la necesiten, ¿ok? So go ahead. Here you are going to place your plant, okay? With your finger. Here you are going to start placing, okay? With your finger. With your finger you are going to use, okay? Get in your finger. And you're going to place. When you finish, just raise your hand, okay? If you finish, raise your hand. Okay, pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. Did you like the activity? ¿Te gustó la actividad? Yes, okay. What have you learned today? ¿Qué aprendieron hoy? The part of the plants. Okay, also the part of the plant. The part of the plant. Okay, so this homework or this activity you can take to your house. Se la pueden llevar a su casa, no hay problema. Tomorrow we are going to repass to make a review of the part of the plant. Mañana vamos a hacer un repaso de las partes de la planta, ¿ok? Did you finish? ¿Terminaron? Yes. Did you like the class today? ¿Te gustó la clase de hoy? Yes. Excellent. So, see you tomorrow.